Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to show you exactly how to create your own lead generation form and use it to collect a lot of leads. I personally use the Serlzo form to generate leads for my business. I collect user data like their email, their phone number, and of course their name. And of course, if I want to collect other informations like their address, second number, other informations, I can actually do it myself using Serlzo form. It's very easy to do, very easy to integrate, just a very simple step. Right now, I'm going to call on Philip and he's going to demonstrate this thing for you on his screen, where we'll show you step by step on how exactly to set up your Serlzo form and use it to collect leads for your business. Now, Philip, over to you. Yeah, welcome back. I'm sure that was a very easy step for you to set up. However, to start using Serlzo right now, go on to www.serlzo.com, create your account, activate your account by choosing a plan, and then get started with using Serlzo for your business and make your whole marketing process and automation process very easy for yourself. Thank you.